Is he actually waiting for us? That's gonna be hilarious. Oh, I don't feel the brake pedal anymore. Oh, pedal is flat on the floor. No brakes, no brakes, no brakes. No, this is not the car we'll be driving today. It's just we've done tire change, oil change on that. And now the lift is free for the Skoda Superb that ran out of brakes. So we're gonna do brake flush. So in the meanwhile, we have also some other nice cars here. Hello. That had a boost pipe coming off. So you're gonna do a test lap now, and then
we're gonna try and get
and then let's see if this passes the Marshall vibe check. I will take it out as well. Or maybe you already seen it. But yeah, let's get the Skoda Superb in and show you around. Oh yeah, look at this animal. Skoda Superb. And I just noticed a very important detail that I missed before going on a lap. It's all-wheel drive. I didn't know it was all-wheel drive. I mean, I probably knew. Yeah, you emailed it. You did tell me that.
Yeah,
but I was so excited to go for it, and I looked over the car, and I know that you've done the tires, the brakes that I told you to do, at least the pads. And like, okay, the car is well sorted. We have big brake kits. I'm just gonna hop in and go quickly for a lap. Well, fantastic platform, but I was wondering why the car was quite on the understeery side. And it's because it was all-wheel drive. So I was driving it as if it was a front-wheel drive. So that's on me. But yeah, halfway through the lap, the pedal started getting soft, the brake pedal, and that Flanskaren jump, the pedal was gone completely. Luckily we survived. So now what we're gonna do is flush the fluid for proper Ravino racing brake fluid. It's something that we are running in our race cars. Maybe not this year, but the last 2 seasons we've done it in the M4 GT4, and that's even a more demanding car because it's heavier car, 1450 kilos versus the Cup car in 1250. Speaking of Cup car, kinda Cup car, Porsche Turbo with own homemade body kit. Every part has been made by hand. And I can tell you that the level of finish is better than some of the competitors or companies that we are seeing sometimes coming here when it comes to body parts. So this is very well jobbed. Maybe I'll be doing a lap in this later. But going back, have fun.
Hello.
Yeah. Going back to this, great lap, great car. I freaking love Skodas. It's it's 2-liter turbocharged. The Volkswagen Audi Group engine, the E888, with different intake, different downpipe. So on the dyno, done 375 horsepower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I actually have the printout with me.
Yeah.
That's why I needed your
Yeah.
you to vouch for it, basically.
Yeah.
If it feels like it or not.
Yeah, actually, well, now that I think about it, it did feel like it because it's heavy. Because 1800 or so kilos, that's quite on the heavy side, and also all-wheel drive, so you do not feel the pull over the front axle. So stupid of me. But that again proves how excited I was to drive this car and how happy I was to finally have driven it. Anyway, Andrea's gonna do the brake fluid flush for this one, and you guys enjoy the lap. Should I go maybe for a second one? Knowing that it's all-wheel drive and the brakes will hold up? Maybe.
I actually have the helix mapped as well.
Oh, really?
Alongside with the gearbox and the engine.
Okay.
It was all done in one go to make sure it's all in sync and
Yeah.
everything knows what,
It was
what the other car
great.
is doing.
It was great. I was just driving it wrong. But it was fantastic. It was really, really good. But you'll see it on the lap. And especially us being chased by a race taxi with Herr Scherer behind the wheel. I got some Instagram stories sent to me by the passengers of the taxi, and it was a riot. So enjoy the lap, and who knows, maybe we'll do a round 2. Wanna race?
Misha!
Skoda Superb! Yeah. Mr. Herr Scherer, who is the car in front of us, doesn't know how to operate the barrier. I guess we're not gonna race. Yeah, Herr Scherer in the M3 taxi, who is waiting for us. There we go. He drove. They don't even know that this is the track entrance. Hilarious. I think. Oh. Let's try not to forget this. Is he actually waiting for us? That's gonna be hilarious. Right, we're in Skoda Superb. I don't have pedal shift, so I'm just running it in sport. But yeah, you all know Misha, who is the driver of the E46 M3. And also this year, the Z4 GT3, amazing car. During the N24, they finished third. But yeah, enough about him. Let's talk about this car. Skoda Superb. I'm super excited to have a lap in this because Skodas, I love them. One of my favorite all-time laps was with Skoda Felicia, and also all the Octavias VRSs is something that I really enjoyed. But I haven't done any Superb so far, so this is the first time that we're driving it. And the owner actually reached out to me a couple of months ago. He's like, hey, I have this car, I would like you to drive it if you would like to. I'm like, yeah. Which brakes, pads do you have? He's like, yeah, can you recommend something? I'm like, well, let's go with Packet RSL 29 and PS4S tires. And that's what he's done. And that's what we have right now, a very capable car. On top it has a stage 2 mod with the downpipe exhaust and remap, of course. Gonna have some very nice pictures over the curb with a race taxi behind us. Oh, there's some flames coming out of the exhaust of the RX-8. Very, very nice. There's some loose change in the car. 11,000 RPM probably. Mwah. And the flames, thumbs up. Very, very cool. So really, really nice. So far, the impression of this car, really enjoying it, really liking it. Bit of understeer happening, and that's because of the alignment. It doesn't have like fancy camber and everything, but my God, it's car full of luxury, but at the same time also full of sportiveness. That's what I really love about Skoda. It's really, really good. So there was supposed to be a yellow flag here somewhere, so let's see. Maybe there's a yellow here. Yep. I'm sure the guys in the taxi behind are having time of their life following the Skoda Superb. I would say this definitely has the right to be called Superb. And if you paint it yellow, you could call it Super B. So far to that jokes. No, really, really enjoying it, really great. The only thing I'm missing on this particular car, we do not have pedal shifts. So for the track it would be nice. I can of course operate the lever by myself. The problem with that is that it's reverse lever. Usually on motorsport sequentials, you pull towards you to upshift and push away from you to downshift. This has to do with the fact when you're on the brakes, you're shifting your weight forward, so it's easier to downshift by pushing the lever forward while you're on the brakes. And here it's the other way around, so I'm just gonna keep my hands on the wheel and focus on the driving and enjoying, because it's really, really good. Really, really nice. Understeer. Need more camber, really. That would be really nice. Sliding with all the four wheels. I mean, there's not much more I want to talk. When I'm quiet, it means I'm enjoying, and I really want to soak in this experience, because it's not often I get to drive a Skoda Superb. yeah, now the wait is coming. But it's so cool that the taxi is staying behind us, because I'm sure they're just like, hey, we just want to vibe. This is so much more fun than pushing. Power. Engine temperature is actually quite alright. Today is the very first hot day where we're pushing like ambient temperatures towards maybe even over 30 degrees, depending on the time of the day. So it's actually really, really good. And it's climbing, but for these engines, 130, 135, it's not unusual. It sounds a lot, and it is, but like I said, it's usually really not that bad. Oh, there's no yellow, but there are marshals. Come on, understeer. Another Skoda, yay. Did you see there was an umbrella? Because there's a camera, a video camera on racetracker.de. You can actually buy videos, not only pictures of your car. And there's an umbrella for the camera so it doesn't overheat. Oh, I don't feel the brake pedal anymore. Ah, it's now back again. Christian knew. Gotta not follow too closely to Wipperman. Pedal is flat on the floor. Ugh. Well, we survived Garden with a flat pedal. Right now it's literally flat to the floor, so I'm doing a bit of more pumping and it's back, but we're gonna slow down here. That's kind of really unfortunate because it does have big brake kit, but it's not big braking enough because everything else was so good. I'm genuinely sad. I really love this car. So yeah, as we're cruising down and trying to cool down the brakes, no brakes, and luckily we're going very slow. I hope we can come off the track without crashing into the traffic jam. Yeah, as we're cruising, I freaking loved it. Aside from the brakes, it's so good. I mean, if the car would have more camber, so you would fight the understeer, and pedals, so I could actually like really keep the revs in the rev range or the gearbox in the rev range, that would be so good. But even now, my god, Skodas, those are such hidden gems. Like honestly, you do not need, what's the equivalent of this? Audi S6. You don't need Volkswagen Phaeton. No, Phaeton is much higher. Passat. You could. Because this, if you're looking for driving experience, that's all you need. Like, I'm saying with a huge smile on my face after not having brakes. There is something happening, but nothing. Okay, we're just gonna really slow down. So, fantastic car. Fantastic car. Like, really, really enjoyed it. And the lap we had with the M3 taxi behind us, I think that says a lot. It was really, really nice. So, yeah, that's all there is to it. And you can see the oil temperatures is dropping down as well, so that's very nice. So, yeah, let's try to get off the track without crashing into the barrier because we have no brakes. Let's not repeat the scenario where there was an Audi S3 or RS3 2-3 years ago that crashed into the bin because it came off the track with no brakes. Okay, we're having something, just not really a lot or anything. Oh man, I wonder why. Was the fluid not changed? Need to have a chat. Because the brake pad performance RSL 29 on this was very, very good. But stay tuned to find out if we made it off the track. La la la.